Welcome to Aria's Enchanted Adventures. Join Aria on captivating journeys filled with wonder, imagination, and the power of nature. Subscribe now and let the enchantment begin. Episode 15, The Dance of the Fireflies. As the moon cast its silvery glow upon the enchanting realm of Wisdomwood Forest, Aria found herself drawn into a magical phenomenon, the dance of the fireflies. This chapter in her extraordinary journey promised not just a spectacle of light and wonder, but an exploration of profound life truths that echoed through the very soul of the forest. On a moonlit night, Aria discovered a gathering of fireflies illuminating the meadows with their gentle glow. However, this was no ordinary spectacle. The fireflies were engaged in a dance, a rhythmic ballet that painted the night with ethereal patterns. Intrigued, Aria joined this celestial dance, feeling a deep connection with the forest and its myriad inhabitants. Guided by the luminescent trail of the fireflies, Aria ventured deeper into Wisdomwood. Along her path, she encountered creatures from all corners of the forest, each contributing a unique rhythm to the dance. The graceful flutter of butterflies, the rhythmic chirping of crickets, and the soft rustle of leaves created a symphony of diversity. Yet, amidst this harmonious dance, Aria noticed a lone firefly, its light flickering weakly. Sensing its solitude, she gently cupped it in her hands. In a heartwarming display of empathy, the other fireflies rallied to support their struggling companion. Together, in unity, their collective glow became a radiant beacon of light. In the dance of the fireflies, Aria unearthed a universal truth, the profound beauty of unity in diversity. Every individual, regardless of size or brilliance, played a crucial role in the grand tapestry of the forest. It was a celebration of inclusion, a lesson that echoed through the rustling leaves and fluttering wings. As the night unfolded, the forest pulsed with the united glow of the fireflies, and Wisdomwood resonated with a newfound harmony. Aria realized that the magic of the fireflies' dance mirrored the potential of unity to illuminate even the darkest corners of the world. The dance of the fireflies was not just an adventure. It was a symphony of lessons about inclusion, diversity, and the radiant power of coming together. Aria's journey continued to be a beacon of inspiration and education, ensuring that Wisdomwood Forest remained a haven where magical stories and meaningful life lessons harmonized like the dance of the fireflies. Stay tuned for more magic tales as Aria's adventure unfolds, bringing captivating stories and meaningful life lessons to life. Wisdomwood Forest persists as a realm where magic and wisdom intertwine. Until our paths cross again, may your nights be as magical as the dance of the fireflies. Thank you for being part of our luminous journey.